Peeps! We recently stayed at the Loews Portofino Bay Hotel at Universal Orlando. And if you've ever wanted to stay inside Universal Orlando, but also feel like you've been transported to the Italian Riviera, this is Universal's most luxurious, immersive hotel experience. Portofino Bay is a premier on-site hotel at Universal Orlando, designed to recreate the seaside village of Portofino, Italy, complete with colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and a harbor piazza that literally comes alive at night with music and atmosphere. It's not just a place to sleep, it's part of the vacation. Now this is a big resort, over 700 rooms and multiple wings, so it feels more like a full destination than just a hotel. You get waterfront views, Italian-inspired architecture everywhere, and honestly some of the best theming outside of the parks themselves. One of the biggest highlights of the hotels is the 3 different pool areas, including the main beach pool with a Roman aqueduct-style water slide, plus quieter pools if you want to relax. Food-wise, you get a ton of choices, multiple restaurants, lounges, quick service spots, many with Italian-inspired menus. And at night, the harbor piazza becomes alive with live music and people strolling. It's honestly one of the best parts of staying at the hotel is that harbor piazza area. One of the reasons we stayed here and why a lot of people stay here is that guests get free Universal Express Unlimited at Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure. You can skip the regular lines on most rides as much as you want. It's an unlimited express pass, and you also get early park admission, including transportation from either a quick walk via the walking path or a water taxi straight to the parks. The rooms here are spacious with upscale touches like marble bathrooms, dual sinks, Italian-style decor. It feels more like a luxury resort than a theme park hotel. Okay, and here is the room. Walk in, you've got your coffee stand, your ice bucket. All right, here's the room at the Loews Portofino Bay. King-size bedroom. It's got like a quilted headboard. It's got a couch, little ottoman thing. Nice desk or table. I got a king bed bay view. So here's our view of the bay. I guess the park is down that way. But here, you can see a little bit of the bay. We can actually see the bay, but not as much of the resort. The resort's like right here on the left, because we are in the very last room on the floor here. You've got all your storage stuff here, your drawers. I think here's probably your fridge. Yep, fridge, another drawer over there. And here's the bathroom, which is huge. I mean, there's a lot of empty space here, and it's not an accessible bathroom because this is not an accessible tub, but it's got a tub, shower head, the usual amenities and toiletries, normal closet with your safe, ironing board, luggage rack, hangers, those types of things, extra pillows. All right, so after staying here, what's the real verdict on Portofino Bay? Well, first off, the room, really impressive. The bed was super comfortable. The room itself felt noticeably more spacious than the typical theme park hotel room. It actually feels like a proper resort room, not just a place to crash after you go to the parks. And what surprised me the most is how quiet the resort is. You're at Universal Orlando, but it barely feels like you're at a theme park resort. It's calm, it's relaxing, it almost feels like a full escape from the parks when you want it. Now, one quick heads up though, if you're planning to eat on property, definitely make dinner reservations. We tried to walk into some of the restaurants and had a tough time, so planning ahead here is key. The big question, is it worth it? The amenities are what pushed this hotel over the top. The water taxi is super convenient. The express pass included with your stay is a big deal, especially if you have multiple people sharing a room. That alone can save you hours in line and a lot of money every day. So yeah, if you're looking for a more relaxed, upscale Universal experience, this is one of the best ways to do it. It's not cheap, but between the comfort, the atmosphere, and those perks, it might just be worth it. Have you stayed at the Portofino Bay Hotel before? If you have, leave us a comment down below with what you thought of your stay, or if you have questions about an upcoming stay, let us know. While you're down there, why don't you give us a thumbs up on this video, it really helps us out, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified when we release more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.